Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible 3LT in blade silver metallic on titanium interior. So I'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We'll let you have a look at the trunk area. So this one does come with a car cover. It's tucked in here. Down below we've got some extras. So there's a silver armrest and the third brake light cover for before they had the spoiler installed, so that's there. Down on this side, there's another, that's a bra for the front, and then there's some literature for the car, and then down below we've got storage, and we've got the cargo netting. So we'll tuck this back in and close it up, and have a look from the back. So it's got the nice deck lid spoiler, circular taillights, and it's got an upgraded exhaust. It's got a Borla exhaust on there, and it also has the chrome centerpiece there as well. So we'll shift around this side here. We'll have a look at the rear wheel. So it's got the nice chrome wheels. We've got the J55 heavy duty brakes, red calipers, and nice Michelin tires. Over at the passenger side, we've got the two-tone. So it's got the ebony and the titanium. We've got our power windows, power locks, electronic door release, and we've got that nice Bose stereo. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side, so it's in pretty good shape. A couple little minor marks, nothing major. And for the power seat, you've got power 4, aft, up, down, power lumbar and side bolster adjustments, and manual recline. I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And we've got the nice upgraded Corvette mats. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. Have a look here on the glove box. We've got the books, those are there. Have a look at the dash, it's in good shape as you can see. And on the, I don't know if you can see that, but on the visor here, it's got the Corvette logo. And we've got illumination, that's in good shape. So let's hop out and close this side up. And I'll just step to the back of the car. We'll scan along this side of the car so you can see the condition. And here we are at the front. So at the front, we've got an LS3 badge, and we've got our front wheel. So again, nice chrome wheels, J55 heavy duty brakes, red painted calipers, and nice Michelin tires. Under the hood, we've got the LS3 V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 430 horsepower. That's paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's nice and tidy under here. We've got the wire here going to the top of the strut tower because it does have electronic or MagRide suspension. We've got upgraded clips for the hood liner here. We've also got the Corvette logo there, and we've got a badging here identifying the motor. So I'll let you see that. Looks good. So well cared for car, well loved. And we'll go ahead, we'll close that, and we'll have a look from the front. So here it is from the front. So we've got the clear projector headlights. We've got fog lights down below. Just move along so you can see the condition. So it looks, everything looks like it's in good shape here. In terms of issues, there's a little tiny micro dot. Oh no, that's nothing. Sorry. Just up here. Here it is. So there's one tiny pinhead size, very small stone chip there, and another little mark here. This one doesn't even look like a chip, but it's there. I don't know, it might come out when we polish it. And then the other thing I want to point out is just the headlights. There's a little bit of discoloration along here. We'll polish the headlights. We've got the headlight restore kit, so we'll make them look the best we can. And same thing here, just a little bit of discoloration along this edge here. Other than that, it looks fantastic. And again, those are nice HID projector headlights. So we'll shift around this side here. I'll let you have a look at the front wheel. Again, nice chrome wheels, J55 heavy duty brakes, red calipers, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Fantastic. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So at the front here, we've got our power locks. We've got 2-user programmable memory, programmable exit button, power mirrors, power windows, electronic door release, and that nice Bose stereo. Here's the kick plate on the driver's side. It's in fantastic shape, as you can see. And for our power seat, we've got power 4, aft, up, down, power lumbar, side bolster adjustments, and manual recline. I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Awesome. And as we get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy. We'll get in, we'll fire this one up. we are. Nice growl to it. So no warning lights or issues there on the dash. 32,892 miles. Over here we've got our favorites for the radio, volume controls, track change for the radio. We've got our paddle shifters plus and minus up top. Over on this side you've got telephone answer, voice command, telephone hang up, and again plus and minus for paddle shifters. Let's see, dash dimmer switches here, heads up display control, so I'll turn off the headlights for a moment. There's your heads up, so you can move the position, change the brightness, you can change the information that's displayed there as well. So that's great. Power convertible top button is there, manual tilt, trunk release and fuel door release, and then hood release down below. Over on this side, we've got a power telescopic steering column, push button start, and the buttons here are for the center information center. Here's your touchscreen navigation, so we'll click agree here. There's your map. So if we hit source, we got AM, FM, XM, CD. If we hit this guy here, we've got folding, so there's a CD player and DVD for the map disc, so we'll close that. And I'll move the shifter out of the way so you can see there's your dual zone climate control, so driver's temp, automatic, and then heated seat for the driver, heated seat for the passenger. We've got a 12-volt socket in here and an ashtray. There's your automatic shifter. We've got 2 keys for the car, and we've got our MagRide here. So we've got sport or touring mode, so that will change the electronically change the recoil of the shock, so it'll make it stiffer or a smoother ride in touring. You've got your traction control on and off, and we've got a 12-volt socket here, and auto dimming rear view mirror with OnStar, and you've got your garage home buttons there, and again the Corvette logo up there. So since this is a convertible, we'll go ahead and we'll put the top up so you can see the operation. Alright, there we are. So we'll just lock it in place like so. Put the windows up and we'll hop out, have a look and listen. And these side windows are tinted. So here we are. Nice sound to it. And I do have the stock exhaust. If you don't like the louder exhaust, we do have the original exhaust here. So here it is from the front with the nice projector headlights. We'll move along this side so you can see the condition. Nice looking car. There's the roof. No rips or tears, looks good. And here it is from the back. Nice Borla exhaust. Sounds phenomenal. I absolutely love that tone. And there you have it, folks. 2010 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT convertible here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.